Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nathan here, and today I've come up with a very interesting and very amazing problem. It's a trick problem of modified pendulums, as I promised earlier. Guys, this video is brought to you by Indian School of Physics and Unacademy together, and name of this problem is Effective Simple Pendulum Systems. And guys, my current courses on Unacademy are course of IME Foundation and for JEE Advanced 2023, and Emerge batch which has very recently started for JEE 2023. Today we are starting at 10 p.m. advanced problem solving for JEE Advance 2021 in special classes. All these classes will be free, so most of you guys can avail this. And advanced GTs series is going for JEE Advance 2021 in special classes, and these GTs and advanced problem solving course will consist of some of the finest problems of physics. So don't forget to tune in for these special classes. And advanced course for JEE 2022 in Hindi and English is going on. So we are just about to finish electrostatics. And guys, you can access my theory courses on all topics which are of advanced plus level for boosting your JEE preparation. You can unlock these courses on Unacademy using my code Nitin sir. And for more info, you can visit www.unacademy.com. And guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. So here is the statement of this problem. Guys, this is a modified problem, and you would have seen this type of problem in irodove and krotov also, where they have used the strings, rod and string case. I have taken everything as rod. It doesn't make any difference though, and I have generalized for L1, L2 some random values. So here two uniform and massless rods A and B are welded together to form a T-shaped structure with their lengths L1 and 2L2 as shown in the figure. This system of rods are mounted at points P and Q so that the entire system can rotate about the axis PQ, and there exists a particle of mass m0 at the end of rod B as shown. The whole system is in uniform gravity of G. The particle is slightly pulled out of the plane and released. What will be the time period of a small oscillation of this system? So as you can see here, so slightly we are pulling it outside, so this system will start oscillating, and we are considering very small angles here. So concept wise, we can here reduce this problem to a effective simple pendulum with effective length and effective gravity. So let's find out and figure out how exactly it will behave like a simple pendulum. So guys, once we slightly disturb it, so you can see it is going to rotate about this axis PQ. So here the effective length of the pendulum, if we drop a perpendicular here on this axis, so this length is going to be the effective length of the pendulum, and the component of G in this direction is going to be the G effective. So here let's assume this angle is theta. So tan theta value is known to us, L1 by L2. So when I'm dropping this perpendicular, I need to find out this length. So this angle is going to be 90 minus theta, and this angle will become theta here. So it becomes very simple. This L effective actually is 2L2 sine theta component. So 2L2 sine theta I have written. And here this angle is theta. So this angle is theta. So this is going to be G effective, which is G cos theta. So L effective I have written and G effective I have written, and we know time period of such pendulum we can write as 2 pi under root of L effective by G effective. So if I substitute the values, I am going to get a very nice answer here, and you will be surprised to see the answer. So 2 pi L effective is 2L2 sine theta by G cos theta. So this will become tan theta, and we know the value of tan theta as L1 by L2. So when I simplify, L2 gets cancelled, and we are going to get this answer as 2 pi under root of 2L1 by G. Guys, it doesn't depend on the length of this rod. It depends on this vertical length. So overall answer is 2 pi under root of 2L1 by G. Guys, this is the final answer. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned some trick. And such type of problems will be very helpful for JEE Advanced type of exam. So if you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share this video with others, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. I'll be coming up with another problem on similar concept very soon. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.